Your online account checklist should work for you. Use Google Sheets, Excel, a secure note app, or even an encrypted cloud doc. Customize your columns, make it secure, and most importantly, make it accessible when you need it. This isn't just about organization, it's digital self-care. How do you build one? Building the checklist, categories. Start by organizing your digital life into categories. 1. Financial accounts. That means online banking, credit cards, investment platforms, PayPal, and loan services. For each account record, the service name, website URL, username or login email address it's linked to, if two-factor authentication is enabled and how. In the notes, add recurring payments, linked accounts, or account opening dates if you remember them. But remember, never write your passwords here. Use a password manager for that. 2. Email accounts. These are the keys to your digital kingdom. If someone compromises your email, they can reset passwords for almost everything else. Log each one. Provider like Gmail, Yahoo, etc. The full email address. Any recovery emails or phone numbers. 2FA status and method. In the notes, mention if it's your main account or used for things like newsletters, shopping, or backups. 3. Social media and communication apps. Think Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you're chatting or sharing content. Track platform name, URL, username or login info, associated email, 2FA setup. Use notes to mark public versus private profiles or if the account links to work or business tools. 4. Online shopping and services. Amazon, eBay, Netflix, food delivery apps, cloud storage, and even software subscriptions. Again, log, service name and URL, login email or username, associated email, 2FA info, notes like saved cards, subscriptions, or delivery addresses. This section can help you find services you're still paying for but not using. 5. Utilities and government portals. Yes, these matter too. That includes your electricity provider, internet/cable company, tax portals, and even DMV logins. Record the basics, account name and website, login credentials, 2FA status, important account numbers in the notes. 6. Other accounts, forums, game platforms, learning sites, and one-off accounts you created for a quick purchase. Add them too. Even these can be risky if compromised, and they're often forgotten. Keeping it updated. Creating your checklist is just step 1. The magic comes from keeping it updated. Set a calendar reminder every 3 to 6 months.